After the chicks have hatched, they will stay in the nest for another 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most work-intensive time for the parents because they have to feed them. In some species, several hundred times a day. Finding enough high-quality food is the major task. Young great tits hatch at less than 2 grams body weight. When they leave the nest 2 weeks later, they will weigh more than 15 times as much. All thanks to their parents' restless search for food. On top of that, the adults have to keep their babies safe from predators. The birds around you will be thankful if you keep your cat indoors, at least now. And there are plenty of other good things that you can do for them. We'll have a look at that next time.